Republishing multiple pages at once. Republishing multiple pages at once can save you a lot of time. If you've made changes to several pages in your funnel, you can republish them all at once. To do this, from the funnel view, click Republish in the top right. Converttree will republish every previously published page, so you can make updates across several pages and put them all live together. Select Republish all published pages. Click OK, and you're done. Note that Converttree won't publish pages which have never been published, as it does not know what URL to use. So in this example here, these 4 pages have all been republished, while my demo page here has not. You can tell which pages Converttree will republish by looking in the top right corner of the page card. If it's got a green or red icon, that means it's been published in the past, so Converttree will republish it when you hit the button.